Welcome back to Brushes and Blades, where we dive into the best tools for painting, playing, and customizing your tabletop miniatures. Today, we're talking about something that is totally a game changer, especially if you magnetize your models. The Miniature Base Magnetizing Tool from Stokes Tabletop. I picked up the Warhammer 40k set off of the Etsy account, which includes sizes 50, 40, 32, 28, and 25 bases. This isn't an ad. I paid full price for this tool, and to be honest, I had to see what hype was all about. I've seen this on my Instagram. I've seen this in my Etsy store, and I was like, you know what? For this price, I've got to pick it up and at least try it. And so far, I've used it a few times. It definitely expedites the process and puts your magnet perfectly in the middle for you. I'm gonna do an example here in a moment also. If you're like me and you love magnetizing your miniatures for storage and easy swaps, this tool is a lifesaver. It takes the guesswork out of placing the magnets into the base. No more fumbling with the glue and ended up misaligned magnets. It's precise, efficient, and ridiculously easy to use. For the price tag, this is a must-have if you're serious about magnetizing your bases. Stokes Tabletop has really nailed it with the design. It's straightforward, reliable, and it saves so much time. Whether you're a seasoned hobbyist or just starting out, this is a tool worth every penny. One of the things I appreciate the most about the versatility of this set in particular is the sizes for the standard bases for Warhammer 40k. It covers everything you need for the army. All right, now I'm going to show you just simply how easy this is. Right? So this particular model that I'm going to be working with today is a 28 millimeter base that we're going to use here. You simply grab your base that you want to magnetize. You grab the appropriate size for what you're working with. You just slap it right there. It fits snugly in there. It's got this nice little notch here so you can pull it out with no problem. All right, they're all numbered, which is awesome. All right, and then all you got to do is drop your glue with the appropriate amount of glue. I don't like to over glue mine because you get that like white chalkiness. But then what's awesome is it automatically will just adhere to whichever direction the magnet is sitting. So you're good to go. Boom, done. Now, all you got to do is you can sit there and let it dry for a little bit. I actually sometimes also use the baking soda trick to help it dry a little faster. I'm not going to do that right now, but we already got it pretty much where it needs to go, and that's it. And another little extra side note, which is pretty good about this, thing that I enjoy, is that it's simple to store. It's not something you just throw into a drawer or a baggie or something. What's awesome about this is that they all kind of fit right on top of each other. So this is how I store mine, at least. I don't know if this was intended, but boom. And it just sits on my desk like this. You don't have to worry about nothing. These magnets actually came in it already prepared, ready to go. So this is an excellent product. I've already said it probably twice in this video, but it is worth every penny of the cost. So if you're looking for a tool that simplifies the magnetizing process and takes your miniatures game to the next level, go check out Stokes Tabletop on Instagram and his Etsy store. I'm seriously impressed with the quality and functionality of this product. And again, remember, this isn't a sponsored video. I genuinely think this is a fantastic tool. Let me know in the comments if you tried it or if you have any other magnetizing tips or tools that you like to use. Until next time, keep painting, keep playing, and remember, every stroke of the brush and every swing of your blade adds character to your miniature.